Hello, chartered accountants. Let me start with a quick situation. Imagine a client sends you 300 purchase invoices in PDF and asks, "Sir, please check all invoices and prepare the input tax summary." Now, what do we normally do? Open each PDF one by one. Check GST, invoice value, tax amount, then manually enter everything into Excel. If there are 300 invoices, this can easily take to 2-3 hours of repetitive work. And that is exactly why we keep hearing this question everywhere. Is AI going to replace chartered accountants? But the truth is very simple. AI is not here to replace chartered accountants. AI is here to remove this kind of boring, repetitive work from our lives. Tasks that earlier took hours can now be done in minutes, allowing us to focus on what actually matters: analysis, judgment, and advising clients. So today, let us see how AI can become your most powerful assistant as a chartered accountant. Okay, let us dive right into the core AI models. Think of these as the brain behind the operations. First, we have ChatGPT. You probably know it. It is great for drafting tax advisory reports, explaining tricky GST provisions, forecasting financial performance, and even generating Python or VBA code. Then there is Claude AI. Claude is your go-to for heavy lifting. It handles very large documents, complex reasoning, financial modeling, code generation, and forensic accounting analysis. Now, think about this. What if you need real-time analysis and data classification? For that, you use Google Gemini. It is excellent for processing structured and unstructured financial data, writing scripts, and building chatbots. Next is DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a specialist. It is heavily used for OCR processing, bookkeeping automation, and extracting data from documents. Finally, we have Perplexity. Perplexity is your ultimate research assistant. Use it to analyze industry trends, verify tax applicability, and check compliance regulations. Let us quickly revise. ChatGPT for drafting and code, Claude for large files and complex reasoning, Gemini for real-time data, DeepSeek for extraction, and Perplexity for research. Moving on. What if you want to build an AI tool but you do not know how to code? Most chartered accountants do not have a programming background. Why does this happen? Because we study tax, not IT. But AI coding assistants solve this. We have Cursor, which is an AI-powered code editor to write scripts faster, debug, and build financial data processing tools and audit automation scripts. Then there's Bolt, which is perfect for rapid backend development and prototyping internal dashboards or data processing engines. And Anti-Gravity IDE. This helps you create Python or HTML tools for tax calculations, financial analysis, and reporting tools. But wait, what if you want zero coding? No problem. We have no-code AI app builders. Lovable.dev can instantly convert your text prompts into working apps like client dashboards, CRM systems, or audit tracking tools. Google Opal lets you build mini web apps using visual workflows. Imagine making your own GST calculator or contract analysis tool just by dragging and dropping. Then there is Meta AI Studio, which lets you build custom chatbots trained on specific knowledge, like an income tax help assistant or a GST query bot. You might see a direct question on this. Remember, Cursor and Bolt are for coding assistants, while Lovable and Opal are strictly no-code platforms. Let us take a moment here. Have you ever used AI and it gave you a completely wrong section number for the Income Tax Act? That is called hallucination. It is a big risk. To fix this, we use knowledge management and RAG tools. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It grounds the AI in real documents so it does not make things up. For example, Notebook LM. You can upload ICAI guidance notes, GST circulars, and tax laws into it. When you ask a question, it gives you answers with exact source citations. Another great tool is ChromaDB. This is a vector database used for semantic search to retrieve case laws, compliance documents, and legal references. Perplexity also fits perfectly here as a brilliant research assistant for up-to-date regulatory info. Here is a quick point. Workflow automation platforms. These connect your tools together. N8N is great for automating client onboarding, document processing, and GST filing reminders. Make.com integrates multiple tools. For example, it can take a meeting recording, summarize it with AI, save it in Notion, and create a task automatically. Microsoft Power Automate is amazing because it can actually log into tax portals, download return statuses, and update your spreadsheets. Google Apps Script is your friend for automating Google Workspace, like sending automated email reminders, creating documents from forms, or generating reports from Google Sheets. Let us break this down further into OCR and web automation. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. When you have scanned invoices, you use Tesseract OCR. If you have images, you use EasyOCR to extract structured info. And if you have a PDF of a GST return or financial report with a huge table, you use Tabula. Tabula is specifically for extracting tabular data. For web automation, like automatically logging into the GST portal, downloading reports, and extracting data, Selenium is the standard tool. Let us quickly revise. Tesseract for scans, Tabula for tables, Selenium for web portals. Keep these clear in your mind. Now, let us talk about multimodal AI. This means AI that can process images, video, and audio. For vision models, we use GPT Vision or Lava. These can look at scanned financial documents, ID cards, and invoices and understand them. For video and voice, Hagen creates AI avatar videos to explain financial concepts to clients. 11 Labs gives you highly natural sounding AI voices for training videos and virtual assistants. But wait, as chartered accountants, we deal with highly confidential client data. Is AI safe for financial data? Cloud tools must be used carefully. This is where local AI comes in. This is super important for data privacy. Local AI runs on your own computer without sending data to external servers. Ollama is a tool that lets you run large language models locally, giving you full offline privacy and secure document analysis. LM Studio gives you a nice graphical interface to manage these local models securely. Okay, let us look at some practical, real-world applications. AI can do GST reconciliation by automatically comparing GSTR1, GSTR3B, and purchase registers. It can do trial balance analysis to detect anomalies and unusual transactions. You can build tax advisory chatbots for TDS, income tax, and GST queries. For automated audit sampling, tools like Quadratic AI can generate stratified random samples and audit selection lists. And of course, OCR extracts data straight from GST PDFs and invoices. So, what is the future of our profession? Routine tasks like data entry, document extraction, and reconciliations will be increasingly automated. But your role will become more strategic. You will focus on financial advisory, business consulting, risk management, and regulatory compliance. The CA who adopts AI early gets a massive competitive advantage. AI will not replace you, but professionals will still be required for advisory and decision making. Let us wrap this up with a short summary. AI is a powerful assistant for chartered accountants. We have core models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Perplexity. Coding assistants like Cursor, Bolt, and Anti-Gravity IDE, plus no-code builders like Lovable, Google Opal, and Meta AI Studio help you build tools. RAG tools like NotebookLM and ChromaDB stop hallucinations. Automation platforms like N8N, Make, Power Automate, and App Script handle workflows. Tabula, Tesseract, EasyOCR, and Selenium handle extraction and web tasks. GPT Vision, Hagen, and 11 Labs manage multimodal needs. And always remember Ollama and LM Studio for local, private data security.